Apple Nachos. Okay, so the materials you will need is 3 to 4 good sized apples. And remember to wash them first prior to use. Second, you will need toppings of your choice. So I have cream cheese and powdered sugar. We're going to combine that to make a nice little spread to go on the apples. I have caramel sauce. The Hershey syrup works fine too if you like that. I have chocolate chips and sprinkles. We're going to jazz it up a little bit with the sprinkles. Okay, so first you will need to cut your apples. Get your parents' help for this because knives are sharp, or have one of these, but still probably get your parents' help to core the apple and cut it into little slices like this. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit when I finish cutting my apples. Once your apples are cored, they may look something like this. Next, you want to take your cream cheese, put it in a microwave safe bowl, and microwave it for about 20 seconds. It'll start to make sizzling noises, so just keep an eye on it. Make sure you don't burn it. You might have to thin it out with a little bit of milk or water to make it runny or spreadable. Next, take your powdered sugar and dump it in and give that a quick stir together to make this sauce. This looks yummy. Okay, now here's the fun part. We are ready to decorate the apples. Okay, just grab it, and it don't have to be pretty. Don't be upset if it don't look like the picture online or anything, but just decorate however you want. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on there. I'm gonna do half of them cream cheese and half of them not, because my husband is not a fan of cream cheese. But I am. Okay. Once that is done, just put this to the side. Let's grab our caramel sauce. And I really like these squeeze tops because they allow you to really decorate it quickly. And it's a little less messy. Okay. Next, we are going to sprinkle on the chocolate chips. And then, to finish it off, our sprinkles. Okay. Now for the big reveal, let's see how they taste. Let me grab one. This one. Now that's a good snack. Okay, here's an up close picture. And you can, remember, you can add anything you like. If there's something you don't like in here, you can easily omit it and add, I think the chocolate sauce would be good too, the Hershey syrup. But let us know what you create and post a picture online. And see you next time.